This tutorial will show you how to change the wake up and screen timeout settings on your Sundance 880 series hot tub. To reduce the number of times you need to tap the display to wake it up, start by tapping the screen and then tapping the settings icon. Tap the right caret to move to the next menu and then tap the panel icon. Next, press the tap to wake option and press to select either yes or no. After that, tap on Screen Sleep to adjust how long it takes for the display to time out. Once you've selected your preferred time, tap the green check mark, then press the return button twice to go back to the main menu. For more helpful tips, be sure to check out our other Sundance Spa tutorials from The Great Escape. See you next time.